Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Dogecoin from Coinbase Wallet using Ethereum network. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Coinbase Wallet app. Sign in to your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Assets tab at the bottom of the screen. Find Dogecoin in your wallet and tap on it. Select the Send option to initiate the withdrawal. Enter the recipient's Ethereum wallet address. Make sure to double-check the wallet address for accuracy. Decide how much Dogecoin you wish to withdraw. Review the transaction details on the screen. Select the Ethereum network for your withdrawal. Confirm any network fees associated with the transfer. Tap on the Send button to proceed with the transaction. Wait for the transaction to process on the blockchain. You will receive a notification once the withdrawal is complete. Check the recipient's wallet to ensure the funds have arrived. Remember to keep your wallet secure. You are now informed on how to withdraw Dogecoin from Coinbase Wallet using the Ethereum network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.